Most people spend over 40 years working hard, earning decent money, and still end up with almost nothing to show for it. 56% of Americans have zero retirement savings, not because they didn't earn enough, but because nobody ever taught them how wealth is actually built. That changes right now. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Doctors, lawyers, engineers earning $100,000 or more are living paycheck to paycheck every single day. And it's not because they're irresponsible. It's because without a system, every raise gets absorbed by a bigger lifestyle. The treadmill speeds up, but you stay exactly in place. The problem isn't your income. It's that nobody taught you how wealth is actually built. Mistake number 1, confusing income with wealth. These are not the same thing. Income is money that flows in when you work. The moment you stop, it stops. Wealth is completely different. Wealth is assets that generate money for you whether you work or not. A stock portfolio, a rental property, dividend income. These keep growing while you sleep. Your salary is not an asset. The day you stop showing up, it stops paying. The shift that changes everything is simple. Stop asking, how do I earn more? And start asking, how do I build more assets? Mistake number 2, waiting to invest. This one is genuinely painful because time is the one thing you cannot buy back. If you invest just $1,000 today at 7% annual return, which is roughly what the S&P 500 has returned historically, in 20 years, that $1,000 becomes nearly $4,000. You didn't do anything. You just waited. Now compare that to leaving it in a savings account at 1%, you end up with $1,200, a $3,000 difference from the same starting point. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Mistake number 3, and honestly the sneakiest one, is lifestyle inflation. Here's what happens to almost everyone. You get a raise, so you upgrade your apartment, buy a nicer car, eat out more. Your lifestyle expands to match the new income, and at the end of the month, you're saving exactly the same percentage as before, which for most people is close to 0. The wealth builder does the opposite. When income goes up, the savings rate goes up first, then maybe the lifestyle. When income rises, save the raise first, then upgrade your lifestyle. So here's the formula. 4 steps, simple enough to explain in 30 seconds, powerful enough to change your entire financial life. Step 1, earn income from your job, your skills, or your business. Step 2, spend less than you earn every single month without exception. Step 3, invest the difference into assets that grow over time. Step 4, repeat for years, for decades. That's it. This formula works on $30,000 a year and $300,000 a year. The variable is discipline, not income. Let me show you the math that makes this real. If you invest just $300 a month starting today at 7% annual return, in 30 years, you'll have $380,000. But here's the part that changes how you think about money. You only contributed $108,000 of that yourself. The other $272,000, 72% of the total 손탁, came purely from compound growth. Your money made money on its money. That is the wealth formula working exactly as designed. Here's what we're going to cover on this channel going forward. Budgeting systems that actually work. Index funds and why they beat 90% of professional fund managers. Retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, Roth, explained in plain English. Real estate basics, side income streams, and tax strategies that legally keep more money in your pocket. New video every single week. Subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Earn, save, invest, repeat. That is the entire formula. Your next step is simple. Subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment right now answering this question. What is your single biggest money challenge today? I read every single one, and your answers shape exactly what we cover next. No hype, no shortcuts, just a formula that works.